I'm happy to note that Malaysia has, since the 6th Malaysia Plan, since 1991 to 1995, through the 10th Malaysia Plan, 2010-2015, together with other initiatives of the country, such as the new economic model, the Government Transformation Program, the Economic Transformation Program, and the NKEAs, placed ICT as one of the important enablers to help drive the national economic agenda of the country. We have seen it moved from ICT as tools in the past, which represented 6.4% of the GDP of the country, ICT as enabler, currently representing 10 to 2% of GDP of the country, and ICT as a sector in 2020 to provide end-to-end solutions, which we hope will represent about 20% of the GDP of the country. Malaysia has always recognized the power of ICT to enable, empower, and enrich the many aspects of the daily life and work of its citizens and its application in the various sectors like education, healthcare, and business. Malaysia also recognized the value of ICT as enabler and has embraced new and emerging technologies in many areas in both public and private sectors, and they include the development of information systems and business management in e-government, telehealth, multi-purpose smart card, and establishment of smart schools. Since inception of the MSc, more than 2,455 companies and institutions of higher learnings have received MSc Malaysia status. In 2012, they posted a revenue of more than 18.6 billion ringgit Malaysia, while registering a cumulative of more than 2,574 IPs. Malaysia is currently the world leader in shared services and outsourcing industry. Since the inception of the Global Services Location Index in 2004, Malaysia remains the third most favored location for services and outsourcing, shared services and outsourcing, just behind India and China. This sector has garnered investments of more than 1 billion ringgit Malaysia and has resulted in the creation of more than 60,000 jobs in 2008 and is expected to create more than 300,000 jobs in 2013. Currently, there are 184 shared services and outsourcing companies and about 79,000 knowledge workers. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, ICT as an enabler was one part of Malaysia's two-pronged approach to transform the nation from an industrial to knowledge base since the mid-1990s. We are serious in nurturing vibrant ICT R&D and innovation ecosystem that would create an industry that could produce selective, innovative products and services for the domestic and global market to become an exporter nation by 2020. It is for this reason that the Malaysia Industrial Research Consortium on ICT, or MyRight, an idea mooted by the Expert Working Group on Technology and Innovation Ecosystem, the National IT Council, presented and approved by the National Information Technology Council, chaired by Yang Amat Berhormat, Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato Sri Najib Tun Razak, on 23rd August 2011. This consortium will be able to leapfrog Malaysia through selected niche of ICT product and services to meet its aspiration as an exporter nation in 2020.